What's up? Tim here from TenFit Imprints, back out here in the box. But today, we're gonna be mostly inside this little spot right here. We're gonna be cleaning some screens that have come off the press after we finished printing the shirts. And we're gonna go ahead and clean those back to bare screen so we can start completely over and remake them into a usable screen for the next project. So this screen is finished. We've taken it off the press. We've taken all the bulk ink off. That's just a thin layer of ink that's still on there. So what we're gonna have up here, our first chemical, is an ink degrader. So we'll spray some of that on there. We have a scrubby pad. Scrub that around. Once that's been scrubbed around, and we've gotten all that ink broken loose, we'll hit it with the water. So now all that bulk ink that was left is gone. This is our emulsion remover, so that's going to remove this pink emulsion that's on there. We'll spray that down on both sides. Like that. And then we'll sit this off to the side to sit for a few minutes. Personally, while that screen is sitting, I like to go ahead and get another screen in the process. So I went ahead and got about 5 screens to the point of having emulsion remover on them. And that's when I'll move to the next step, which is actually removing that emulsion. We'll use a pressure washer for that. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So you can see now all the emulsion is gone off the screen. It's just back to a bare screen. But you can still see that image that was burned into it before. So what we have is called haze remover. We spray a little bit of that on there. We have another scrubby pad. If I don't hit myself. We have another scrubby pad. This one's only a haze remover scrubby pad. It hasn't been used for anything else. Give that a little scrub on that side and on this side. And now you can already see that that image is starting to go away. Right, I went ahead and got the 5 screens that we had put emulsion remover on, removed the emulsion, added the haze remover, and so now we have 5 screens. It's these 4 right here and this one that are ready to go. You can see that haze remover has kind of started to break down the ink and stuff that's on there. So we'll take our pressure washer once again. Hit both sides of all those screens with the pressure washer to get that haze off of there. And so then we'll have our degreaser, which is actually where we started in our very first video. We started with the degreaser with a brand new screen. So basically what we have now is a brand new screen, and we're back to that point of degreaser scrubby. might see like here, there's still some spots. Not all of that haze is going to come off every time, but it's not going to cause an issue in the next process, so some of it can stay. What you don't want to have is bulk ink on the screen still. You don't want to have a scenario like that. Is emulsion that's still on there, and like that down there, that might cause an issue. That's actually ink that's still on the screen. If you end up with one of those scenarios, you may end up having an issue when you go to press the next time. Some of your screen might not open up all the way, and you might have an obstruction there that you can't get ink to go through. But otherwise, that's the breaking down of screens process. So that's that. That's breaking down screens. So now we've been through the whole process of from a new screen to a ready to go to press screen. We've burnt screens and prepared them for going to press. We've actually put them on the press and printed. And now we've taken them back off the press, cleaned them back to new so that we can start all over. So you guys have seen basically the whole process. So we'll delve into some other stuff in the future. But for now, that's that.